Alright, Assalamualaikum and good morning to all of you. I hope you guys all had a great Raya over the break.
Thank you.
Hi.
And today I have gathered all of you, Dura, the HR Recruitment Manager, ALYA, Director of Human Resource, AIMAN, Product Development Manager, and HAMZA, our Director of Product Development. So I've gathered all four of you because I was just informed yesterday that our product development officer will be leaving in August 2021, which is just a couple of months after this. And we will have to identify a diverse candidate pool, whether it's local or consisting of expatriates, because we need to move fast before the incumbent will be leaving in August. So I will be passing the meeting to Alia for her to give you the details of what she is looking for in our new candidate. Alia?
Yeah, thank you, Tini. So, as the director of HR, I have fully discussed with Fatini and Hamza for the job description and the job specification. So, for the job description, the job position that we are offering is as a product development officer. And and the form of employment will be through contract, and the requirements needed are the candidates have to be able to create and enhance product that fill a niche in the market, or allow their clients to remain competitive, determining product specification according to a number of various factors and uses, supporting manufacturing and design activities by developing prototypes for products in development, consulting market research materials and sales data to ensure that products are viable and competitive. And for the last requirement, he or she will be needing to submit proposal and design for evaluation by the project team and management before moving to the next stage. So for the job specification, I have discussed this in details with Hamza because he is the director of product development. So the candidate will need to have a bachelor degree in engineering or industrial design. Uh, they have to have proven working experience as a product developer or in any related field for like minimum a year or two. And then they have to be comfortable using prototype equipment like 3D printers and CNC machine. They have to be comfortable using design software like SolidWorks and Autodesk. We need someone that can work well in a team, and someone that is creative and have innovative thinking skill and also problem solving skill. So I think that's all for the job specification. I'll be passing to Hamza because this is under his department. So thank you.
Right. Thank you, Salia, for saying out the job specifications and also the job requirements as for anyone who wants to become a product development officer. So, as a director of the product development part area of our company, I would just like to highlight some like additional criteria that I would like to see in anyone who will be our next product development officer. Because our previous product development officer was a very great officer, so I wouldn't want to get any officer that's any less okay than our current product development officer. So one of it is that I would like to highlight on is a person not only very manageable and very smart in his area of product developing, but also in problem solving and has a talent for leadership. It's because as a product development officer, there will be a lot of problem solving that will need to be done within the job scope of a product development officer. And also, you will have to be someone that very, very creative. Our current product development officer has shown some great work towards the company, has also already improved a lot in making our company's name go above in terms of developing products. So I would like that our next product development officer will be as great as the current one. So I really hope that this recruiting team can do the best in filtering the ones that are the best and get us the best out of the best. Okay, thank you. Back to Miss Tin.
All right, I think based on what Alia and Hamza just said about the job specifications and the job descriptions, I think all of this can be simplified and maybe put into a poster so that we can attract potential candidates to our company. And I would like the poster to be cohesive in terms of theme because we don't want our company to give up the wrong message. And do you guys have any other ideas regarding how we are going to spread the poster and also the application form?
May I, Miss Tin, may I interrupt for a while? I think for the poster, it's best that since you're as the recruitment manager and also as the vice of the marketing department, it's best that maybe we can get some help from the marketing department to actually spread and also perhaps design our poster. We can give them the contents, but they can do the designing part since marketing department has the expertise in terms of making sure that the design is very straightforward and also like full of content. If that's okay, I mean that's just my idea.
Yes, I think the marketing team can help you with that, and also I think I have one subordinate in mind that can do this task. Also, how about the application form?
For the application form, I will be discussing with AIMAN where are we going to spread the form and what information that we need to put in the form and what we want to ask them. And I think AIMAN, may I know like anything you think is important to be put in the form?
Yes, Dura, for the job application form, maybe we can ask for their personal information. That is the most basic thing in application form. And we can also ask the date that the applicants can start because we are in a sense of urgency to have a new replacement for this position. And yes, asking for their experience in terms of this job scope. So this will make sure that they will um they are expert in this job. Yes, that's all from me for the application form.
I think we can also ask for their qualification because other than working experience, qualification is also important because we want to see their background, their study background.
Yes, yes. I'll be including that in the job application form.
All right, so I think we all already have a clear idea of what kind of candidate we are looking for: experienced, creative, a problem solver, and can work in a team. And I think in conclusion, we all can get start to work because we are in a rush to find a new candidate. And I trust Dura and Aiman to filter out the candidates that will be interviewing. So I think that's all for our meeting this morning. Thank you, everybody.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you. Nice day.
Okay, Assalamualaikum, Dura. Hi.
Hi.
Okay, so I think with the days that I have given you, can you explain me a bit about how the flow of the selection process for our candidates will be doing?
Okay, so for the selection process, since in the first meeting you've mentioned that we're going to make a poster, right? So the poster, I will ask the marketing department to advertise the poster with along with the application form, just in case anyone wants to apply straight away. And then after the application form was spread, um, from from the applicants, me and Aiman will filter the applicants from the application form because we want to see the job qualification, the study qualification, and the job experience. Just in case, just because we want the since we want the best worker for our company. And then after we have filtered the applicant, I think we will give the list of name to you, and then for call for the interview. I think that's the basic flow that I have discussed with Aiman.
I see. So I was made aware of the poster, and I think the poster made by the marketing team is actually suitable for our company. And also the question for the application form is very relevant to the position that we're looking for. And since we have already discussed the flow, and I think the flow is very acceptable, I think I'll leave it to you and Aiman to continue filtering out the future candidates. So can I trust you with that?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure, yes.
All right. I think that's all for the short meeting. So thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Assalamualaikum to ALYA, our candidate here. And before we start, I'll introduce myself. I'm the Vice of Marketing of this company, and we have here also with us Dura, the HR Recruitment Manager, and Aiman, the Product Development Manager. So today we'll be asking you a set of questions, and feel free to answer however you like. So the first question would be the basic one. Tell us a bit about yourself, Alya.
Okay, so hi, my name is ALYA IZZATI, and I graduated from UKM in Bachelor Degree of Engineering. I think that's a bit of myself.
Okay. So from your application form, we can see that you have worked somewhere before. So what company have you been working at before?
Okay, before, like a couple months ago, I have been working at Tesco as their product development officer, and I've been working there since I graduated. So it has been almost 2 years that I'm working there.
Okay.
All right, I see, Alya. So the next question is, what do you know about your job scope of a product development officer? I'm sure you have plenty of experiences. Can you explain a bit why?
Okay, so this is based on my experience and my opinion. So I think product development officer is someone that manage and coordinate product and to develop project. And besides that, they also evaluate and resolve technical feasibility, design optimization, and production issue. I think being a product development manager ensures that labeling and marketing or promotional literature match the product specification. So yeah.
Okay. So since you said you worked at Tesco before, so do you have any experience using the type machines at your own?
Actually, yes, I have experience in using the CNC machine, which is the computer numerical control. We use that machine to take digitized data from computer and CAM program to use it to control, automate and monitor the movement of the machine. Besides that, the machine also can be used to milling machine, router, welder and grinder. So that's like the experience that I have in using prototype equipment, which is the CNC machine.
Mhm. So for the next question, do you handle yourself well in a team working environment? Because since you're applying for a position in product development, how would you describe yourself in that situation?
I think I work pretty good in a team, because I have a lot of experience working in a team. So I can like cater myself to the team, and besides that, I also can work by myself. So I believe I have the criteria that I needed in for this job position.
Okay, Alia. So, what's your long-term plan for this career here in Village Grocer?
Okay, talking about long term, of course, I want to be working there for a very long time. And while working there for quite some time, I would like to gain a lot of new experience. And also, I believe I want to be able to gain the position of product development manager, or even maybe something that is much more higher than that.
I see, Alia. So finally, do you have any questions that you want to ask any of us?
I think the question that I want to ask is currently at your company, is there any new project that you guys are handling?
For that question, for the new projects, so as you can see right now, we are dealing with the pandemic, and as a product development manager, as you know, we manage and coordinate product development projects. So for the current pandemic, we are focusing on our local products and expanding our local products in Malaysia, and we are decreasing the amount of import and export. So that is our new project.
Okay, I see. I think that's all question that I have. So yeah, thank you.
All right, we have come to the end of our interview session. So thank you, Alia, for applying for this position, and we will evaluate your answers and we will get back to you in a few days.
Thank you.